This is a demonstration for the pre-post selector. I have it wired right now as a preselector for this FT817. The FT817 is at 80 meters right now, 3870 kilohertz. And that's also the frequency for the pre-post selector. As you can see here, the controller is basically at 3870, which is also what the pre-post selector is set for right now, because it basically follows the controller. As you can see, the signal is pretty strong. I'm now going to lower the pre-post selector 100 kilohertz. So that would be 3770, which then will be the new frequency for the pre-post selector. And you can see the result. This is 100 kilohertz down tuning, and the signal is practically gone. That is how well this device worked. If I go back to 3870, there we go. Now we're back at 3870. Can go to 3970. 3970. And we got the same result.
Yeah, alright, there it is. Now I finally got this thing programmed.
Back to 3870.
You want an 87 there, bud? No, 89. I want a 99.
If I tune the Yaesu, you can see the roll-off. See, there is nothing here anymore. This is the peak. And here we are. Almost gone. So 3986. There is no signal anymore. What happens if I type 3986 for our selector? 39860. And that's how well this device works. If you tune it 100 kilohertz away, the rejection is about 50 to 60 dB. Now that's a pre-selector.